So in this video, we'll see how to use a free AI art generator called Leonardo AI. For that, make sure you open the browser of your choice and then in search bar, type Leonardo AI, click on it. You can see the first link right here. Enter the first link and here click on get early access. Make sure you put your mail ID here. Then click on count mail. Now you'll be redirected to this page where you should join the Discord server of Leonardo AI. So click on Discord server. If you already don't have a Discord server, make sure you create one. So this is the Discord server of Leonardo AI. So to use it, make sure you scroll a little down and then under general, you can see this option called priority early access. Click on it. And here you can see this thing called form. Click here, click on yes. So now we'll be redirected to this page where you should give basic information like have you joined the Discord server, the name of your Discord server, the mail ID and everything, and submit it. As I've already submitted this form, I'll show you how to access it now. Let's open a new tab. Let's search for Leonardo AI again. Follow the same procedure. Now you can see this option called launch app right here. Click on launch app and click yes, I'm whitelisted. Once you click on yes, I'm whitelisted, you'll be redirected to Leonardo AI's original page. So here in Leonardo AI, every day you get 150 tokens. 150 token means you can generate 150 images of your choice. And Leonardo AI also has different models trained for different purposes. You can explore all the models here. So let's search for a model. So in this model, you can see here, you can see the prompt details that is given to create this model. You can take inspirations from here. You can see that a hyper realistic ultra detailed photograph. So the prompt that you're going to give highly affects the image that you're going to create. So this is how you do it. And there is something called negative prompt. We'll look about it later. So now let's try creating our own art. So let's choose Leonardo Creative. So here you can create the image, AI image of your choice. So before creating an image, we can see what all options we have here. So this is the number of tokens that's remaining for you today. Also here, you can choose the number of images you should create by using a single prompt, because each image takes away one token of yours. So make sure you decide properly. When you go a little down, you can see this image dimension where you can choose the image dimension of your choice. And then also when you scroll to the bottom, you can see there is this option called image to image. So if you are someone who's struggling to give a prompt, make sure you find an image from Google which is similar to your idea and give it here so that the AI image will automatically be created. So now let's try giving in a prompt. So I've already created this prompt where I'm going to create a girl. So let's click on negative prompt. So this negative prompt is something which is not required in your image. If there is something you don't want to see in your image, you can give in this negative prompt. Now I'm not using it, so let's just close it. Let's click on generate. Once you click on generate, you can see that the AI is creating an image for us. And that's it. Look at this image and look at the amount of clarity this image is going to offer. To download this image, you can click here and you can download the image. You can copy, download, you can do whatever you want. And that's pretty much it about this video. If you guys have any doubts in this process, make sure you drop a comment. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.